Hi everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel, and for this video, as you see, I have this beautiful Chanel 19 in white that I am going to share with you from Hifoot.ru. I am going to share with you my unboxing, what fits inside this bag, and my thoughts about it. So let's get started. So here is the box, and I have here somebody who's doing quality check, I guess. Hey. Hifoot have sent this one from their factory and then drop shipped to Germany, and then now I received it here in Sweden, and it was such a fast shipping, like about a little bit over a week. And the box is wrapped with plastic, so even though it rains, especially now it's snowy, then it's not going to be wet. And here we see a black box, and here it is, a Chanel black box. I'm so excited, so let's check out the bag inside. All right, wrapped very nicely. We see here some care card information over there. Wow, I love that it is nicely wrapped. And it has a Chanel black dust bag. Oh, even the bag inside is carefully wrapped too. Let's grab the bag. Oh, here's their card. So this one is from hifoot.ru. Their website is https://www.hifoot.ru/. That's their WhatsApp. Here is the QR code. Instagram is hifoot123. TikTok is cakesubservice000, and Gmail is hifoot.ru@gmail.com. We'll remove the plastic. It's so beautiful. Wow. Turn lock closure. It even has protection over here. Some stuffing inside. The label and the strap. Now let's talk about what fits inside this Chanel 19 bag. The size is approximately 26 centimeters in length and about 16 centimeters in height, with a depth of approximately 9 centimeters. And with that, obviously, a smaller laptop or a bigger tablet is not going to fit this bag. However, if you have an iPad mini, you can fit it inside. I have an iPad with me, and I will show you that it will definitely fit inside, not a problem. And also, if you are a book lover and you wanted to put your Kindle, whatever size it is, it will also fit in there. I also always get the question if a full-size or a continental wallet would fit inside the bag. And for this Chanel 19 bag, yes, it definitely will fit in there, even a longer bag. But I believe that most of the continental wallets or the long wallets are about this size anyway. Of course, your bigger phones would fit here too. I just have an iPhone Pro, but the Pro Max phones will definitely fit there also. And if you are a planner girl or a person who brings agenda or organizer, a personal organizer fits, a pocket organizer would definitely fit, and for me, I prefer a mini organizer for these smaller bags. This is how they would look inside. I will be using this bag for the week, and I will show you what are the things that could fit inside from the items that I bring on a daily. So let's open it once again. First of all, I have here my agenda or my mini organizer. This is a Filofax, a vintage one. And then I'm going to need to put the refill over here. And then, of course, I have a pen. And it also serves as a wallet. So that's really good. And it has some card slots. and that is going inside like this. A compact. This is a powder that has a mirror. Put it inside right here. Then I am going to bring my Kindle so I can read wherever I go. Of course, my phone. And this is my Samsung Z Flip phone. And I can even put it in here folded, and that is how it looks so far. So I have a little bit more room. This I am not so sure because I can transfer my cards on my mini organizer. There's card slots there, but I can just put here my card holder also. For lipstick, of course, the Guerlain Rouge 3, since it has double mirror, and I really love Guerlain lipsticks. Can put in there. For perfume, I just wanted a small travel size one, and now I am loving this Versace Dylan Blue. Spring is coming, so love it. And I am needing a lip balm, and I opted for the 𝐵𝑖 liquid lip balm. Put that right there. So as you see, I still have a little bit more room in there. And I still need my moisturizer, so grabbing this small Dior Snow, put that in there too. And lastly, my iPhone, I put there. So as you see, all of my daily essentials fits in there, and I am ready to go. I used this bag for almost a month. It is such a versatile bag. I used it every single day. I brought it with me to work, to so many events, so many meetings. I bring it to me during lunch meetings and meeting up with friends, night outs, and so many different occasions. Paired it with so many different outfits. And for the month of February to March, we still had the snow. It could be raining one day, it could be sunny, and it had to withstand so many different temperatures and weather conditions. Now to my final thoughts about this beautiful Chanel 19 bag in white. I truly love it, and I am not even kidding. I like it so much that I think it would fit a lot of outfits. And you can wear it dressed up or dressed down, casual. You can even wear it wherever you go. It's going to be a nice travel bag, and it's a perfect bag for every occasion. Yes, I think that I will be needing to be a little bit careful about it because it's lambskin and it's also white, but I think that it's easy to clean it as long as I make sure that I am mindful of color transfer. So when I wear jeans, I will make sure that the bag is not touching the jeans quite a lot, especially when it's very humid or quite sunny. So as long as we know how to care for white bags, it will last us for a very long time. I love that the bag is so versatile, that we can wear it so many ways. So we can wear it as a handbag, we can put it on the crook of our arm, we can also use it as a shoulder bag, and most of all, a crossbody bag. So it's like a lot of ways to wear it, and I feel like it is so good that we get our money's worth. And getting the dupe bags, the mirror copy bags, the replicas, means that we do not need to break the bank or spend our hard-earned money for thousands and thousands of bags when we can get the look or the exact same look anyway. And even better quality. The quality of the bag is really nice. I love the hardware. I think that this is not really a cheap product. It is just so stunning, and I like that the stitching is just so impeccable. The quality is really there. It's just so beautiful. It truly had become one of my ultimate favorite bags. I also love the fact that it is a little bit squishy, a little bit of a pillow effect. The design overall is indeed so beautiful. It fits a lot of things. We can put our daily essentials, and as I mentioned earlier, we can wear it on any occasion, on any event, and depending on our needs, I know that we could fit them all in there. Overall, I am truly happy about this bag and I highly recommend it. So if you like it, go ahead and check out hifoot.ru. The link will be on the description bar or on the comment section down below. You could also check out all of the other products that they have. They have so many beautiful bags, but they specialize on beautiful shoes and sneakers. And if you enjoy my video and you find it helpful, please leave me a comment on the comment section down below. Let's continue the conversation down there. You can follow me on my social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And if you like videos like this, check out my bag review videos. I have tons here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you on my next video.